All right, welcome ladies and gentlemen. So we got another video for you today. You asked for it, so now we're gonna do it. This is my Traxxas Stampede. It used to be brushed. Just to give you a quick overview, this thing's basically stock. We got a 2056 steering servo in there, RPM front bumper, ultra shocks which have been put new lube in, but all the seals are stock in them. No front bearings on the front. We got these aftermarket wheels here, battery hold down. We got a VXL speed controller and the Volenian 3S and 2S brushless system. We also have a 83 tooth spur gear, and there's a 29 tooth pinion gear. So this thing's geared all the way up for top speed. You can see I have the spacers, so there's a little more spring preload on it. Take off the body here, put in, this is a 2S Traxxas battery. Just wrapped it in electrical tape so that way it doesn't get damaged. You can see this is my basher reinforced body that can take abuse, and these clips really hold this sucker on there. So let's just do this quickly without losing the clips. Put, man, that sucker's sharp. Anyway, that goes here.
How fast does the car go?
This thing?
Yeah, is it quick?
Okay, so we're gonna be going on this thing again. This is with the 2S battery. Let's make sure she's all good. Connect our controller. Look how responsive that steering is. She rips. Okay, let's put those body pins on. The guy that was down the street was asking me about this thing. He's like, how fast does it go? I'm like, 70 miles per hour. Not with this battery it doesn't, but it does go real quick. Okay. Put these body pins on and take her for a little rip. Been a day. Whoa. Look at the launch on there, ready? So the clutch is a little loose on it, which I want, because I want to be able to launch this thing without doing wheelies on it, but it's really not picking up speed. Wow. Okay, gotta tighten the clutch on this thing, because it's just cooking my clutch. Okay, 1 second. Okay, so we're back recording. Here's a cool little trick if you have a Stampede. I didn't even know this before, but you can actually just take off without dropping it in the Okay, so this is what I was talking about. Rubber cover goes on here and it lets you tighten down this sucker for your clutch without having to take that whole thing off. So we're just gonna go back like this. It's not the best way to do it on leaves that slip, but let's try that. Whoops. Turn our car on here, turn our remote on. See, that's too tight now. If it wheelies off the launch, you have the clutch too tight. Okay. Let's adjust the sucker a little more. Just like that. So we're just gonna go here. Okay, just back her off a little bit. See if she launches now. Ready? Oh, there we go. That's the sweet spot right there. See, I can give it full beans, but it actually wants to go. Okay, launch time. 3, 2, 1. Oh, okay. Maybe a little too tight. Back her off just a little bit. I want to be able to have that sucker pinned. I want to have the throttle pinned and this thing just goes. Okay. Okay. Let's try that. Oh, that wants to move. That's the adjustment right there. Going behind us. I can't tell if I'm just eating the clutch immediately, because that seemed way slower. Okay, that launch is good and then it changes on me. Don't want her too tight. I can feel how hot the clutch is, holy smokes. Okay, screw it. We're just gonna bolt her down. Okay, leaf pile time. That was pretty funny. Just stopped it. Thanks for watching. Okay, so this is the Traxxas Stampede here. Just going to be showing some running shots of it. We'll wait till this freaking crap box starts running. Okay. So the steering works. We're just going to get some running videos. I'm not going to yap too much. We're just going to send this sucker. We're going to get her way down there and we're going to move pretty fast. Probably about a mile or so, kilometers. Yeah, it's pretty good range.
Stays intact within a kilometer?
Yeah, it's got pretty good range on it. It has more electronics than my car. It has traction control, it has ABS, everything.
Yeah, I saw you off.
Yep.
Probably cost as much as your car?
Believe it or not, this is the cheapest one they make. That's what's cool about it. So I can break it and it doesn't cost me too much money. Probably, I got it used for like $150 or so. It has some upgrades to it, but yeah, you can build them for not too expensive, and yeah, they're pretty cool.
That's nice.
Yeah, no, lots of fun. Yeah.
So what about
planes is next. That's the next thing to get. Yeah, drones, planes, jets, all that.
once you learn that, it's the same thing?
Yeah, no.
It's a little bit more complicated.
3 dimensions, not just the 2. Enjoy. See how it like has the traction control and the braking and everything?
Yeah.
Got a little burnout for the camera. Come over here to the leaf pile. Watch out for it. Right through the front. Get up close to these leaves here. It's going to come right through this line right here. Try and hit it even faster. They don't call it the Stampede for no reason. She got a little loose there. Full beam.
It like literally flies.
This thing's a ripper. Thanks for watching.